In this video, we'll study about trigonometry. Trigonometry is basically the study of relationship between the sides and the angle of the triangle. So for example, let's say we got a triangle ABC, right? So here angle B is always 90 degree, right? Or one angle. The next statement says the trigonometric ratios are defined for the acute angles of the right angle triangle. That means we can define the trigonometric value or the ratio for either. In this video, let's focus towards angle A and let's define all the trigonometric value according to it. So there are few terms. Let's start with the first one. First one is sine theta. In this case, we'll say sine A, right? Theta is basically angle. We have got cos theta or cos A. We have got tan theta or tan A. Similarly, we have got cosec theta, cosec A, or sec theta, secant of A, and then we have got cot theta or cot of A. Now, in order to define this, let's take a step back and understand what exactly this triangle represents. So the longest side here, which is opposite to the right angle, is hypotenuse, or we'll represent it as H. The other one is the base and the other one is perpendicular. Now, there is a shortcut on how to remember sine A, what's the ratio of cosec A, tan A would be. So, this is just to memorize in case you forget. There is something called Badri Prasad Har Har Bole, right? So it's P by H, B by H, and P by B. So sine theta will be P by H, cos theta will be B by H, and tan theta will be P by B. So it's very simple. It's P by H, then cos theta is B by H, and tan theta is P by B. Now cosec is very simple. It's opposite of sine A, right? Which is, if it's P by H, then the opposite will be H by P. Similarly, sec is opposite of cos, right? Ulta of cos, which is 1 by B by H, ulta will be H by B. And cot is opposite of tan, 1 by P by B. Sorry, I'll just write stepwise. 1 by P by B, and it is B by B. Very important. Take a moment, note it down. If you have any doubts, ask in the comment section. But do remember these ratios. Very, very important. Now we'll apply those lessons on example 1 of chapter 8 of the NCERT book. So in the example 1, it has been given to us the value of tan A is 4 by 3 and we need to find the other trigonometry ratios of the angle A. So let's make a triangle first, right? This is A, B and C. So we have been given tan A equal to, have our formula Pandit Prasad Har, right? That means we have been given P, which is perpendicular is this, B is this, hypotenuse is this. So let's say P is 4K for us, B is 3K, right? P is 4K, B is 3K. We need to find H. We know the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says, you need to write full in the exam. Pythagoras theorem says AC square, that is hypotenuse square, here this is the right angle, right, sides opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. What is the value of BC? BC is 4k ka whole square. Then you have got AB, which is 3k ka whole square. You have got, this is k. 4k ka whole square is 16k square. 3k ka whole square is 9k whole square. Sorry, 9k square. Now the overall number is 25k square. AC square equal to 25k square. Now AC equal to, you need to take the square root, plus minus 25k square, right? So if you remove the square root, it will be 5 ka whole square is 25. That means 5k. Since the sides cannot be negative, we'll ignore this minus sign. So the value of AC is 5k, right? So this is 5k for us. Now we know sine theta is very simple. Sine theta is P by H. So let's take sine theta equal to P by H. What is the value of P? It's 4k. What is the value of H? It's 5k. K cancel. Sine theta is 4 by 5. Cos theta is, what is cos theta? Cos theta is B by H. B by H. B is 3k. H is 5k. You get B is 3k. 5k. K cancel. You get 3 by 5. You already know the value of tan theta. It was given the question. Cosec is ulta of sine. Cosec of A is ulta. This all theta is A. Cosec is ulta of sine. Ulta of sine is 5 by 4. You just write it on the steps. Sec is ulta of cos, which is 5 by 3. And cot is ulta of tan, which is 3 by 4. This is the solution.